Hold on to your robes, folks, because the legal world is getting a high-tech makeover. We're talking about AI lawyers, and no, this isn't a sci-fi movie. Picture this. Algorithms sifting through mountains of legal documents faster than you can say objection. That's right, artificial intelligence is now being used to analyze cases, predict outcomes, and even draft legal documents. So, how do these digital legal eagles actually work? Think of them like superpowered search engines. These AI programs are trained on massive databases of legal information, from past case law to complex regulations. They use this knowledge to analyze your case, identify relevant precedents, and even predict the likelihood of success. It's like having a whole team of lawyers working around the clock. Except these lawyers never sleep, never take coffee breaks, and never ask for a raise. But before you fire your lawyer and hire a Roomba with a law degree, let's dive a little deeper. Let's be real, lawyers are expensive. Time is money and lawyers charge by the hour. But what if you could cut down on those billable hours? That's where AI lawyers come in. By automating tedious tasks like legal research and document review, AI can significantly reduce the time and money spent on legal matters. Imagine this. You need to file a trademark for your new invention. Instead of paying a lawyer to spend hours researching existing trademarks, an AI lawyer can do it in minutes. This means you save money on legal fees and get your trademark application filed faster. But it's not just about saving a few bucks. AI lawyers can also help level the playing field. For small businesses and individuals who can't afford expensive legal teams, AI offers access to affordable legal assistance. So justice isn't just for the wealthy anymore. Now that's a plot twist. Okay, so AI lawyers are efficient and affordable. But can they actually replace human lawyers? Well, it's complicated. AI lawyers excel at tasks that require speed, accuracy, and data analysis. They're like legal machines crunching through data to find the best possible arguments. However, the human touch is still crucial in the legal field. Human lawyers bring empathy, creativity, and strategic thinking to the table. They understand the nuances of human interaction, which is essential for negotiating settlements, arguing in court, and comforting clients. Think of it like this. AI lawyers are like scalpels, precise and efficient. Human lawyers are like surgeons, skilled and experienced. You need both for a successful operation, at least for now.